Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful track lighting designs for the ceiling. Track lighting has become a modern favorite in interior designs which offers the flexibility, style and an efficient way to illuminate the different areas of a space. So whether you can use in a homes or in a commercial space, track lights plays an important role in enhancing both aesthetic and functionality. Actually, the track lighting is a system where individual light fixtures, known as a head or spotlights, are attached to a continuous track that is mounted on the ceiling. This track provides power to each fixture, allowing the multiple lights to operate from a single electrical point. This makes the track lighting extremely adaptable to different lighting needs. So one of the biggest advantages of track lighting is flexibility. Unlike traditional fixed lighting, track heads can be repositioned, rotated or wrap out depending on how you want the space to feel. So if you want to move the furniture, hang the new artwork or redesign a room, so track lighting can be redirected accordingly. This makes a great option for the space that are updated frequently for people who enjoy the changing their interior layout. Another major benefit is focus lighting. Track lights excel as highlighted features within a room, such as art, architectural details, decorative objects, or specific functional areas like your reading corners or kitchen countertops. So by drawing the attention to these focal points, track lighting adds a dimension and a visual interest to a ceiling. It also creates a professional showroom-like effect that elevates the overall atmosphere of the space. So beyond the aesthetics, track lighting also offers energy efficiency. So modern track lights use LED technology, which consumes significantly less power and generates a less heated compared to older incandescent or halogen options. Even LEDs have the long lifespan and require very little maintenance, so reducing the replacement cost over the time. So another important advantages is the ease of installation. So with track lighting, multiple fixtures can be powered through a simple wiring point. This is especially helpful in our renovations and remodels where rewiring the ceiling would be expensive or difficult. So instead of installing the several recessed lights across the room, one track can deliver the multiple resource of light. This can save the time, labor and money during installation. Also, the track lighting is also beneficial for small multi-purpose rooms. So when space is limited, a single fixtures may not provide the enough light. So while multiple independent fixtures can clutter the ceiling, and a track offers a sleek, streamlined solutions that keeps the ceiling clean while still delivering the ample illumination. In open plan layouts, track lights can be used to define zones like separating the dining area for the living area purely through directional lightings. However, track lighting is just not about the style, but it is also the highly practical for our living rooms, bedrooms, in the kitchens. Allow you to directly light exactly where it's needed. So this task-oriented illumination improves the visuality, enhance productivity, and reduce eye strain. So it contrasts to general lighting that brightens an entire space evenly. Track lighting prioritize the areas that matter the most. And another unique advantages, it's customizable. So track comes in straight, curve or modular shapes, enable creating the lighting layouts. Fixtures are available in various beam angles, colors, finishes, and voltage. So user can mix and match the spotlights, pendant, or even the linear lights on the same track. This make it easy to personalize both the performance and a visual look of the fixtures. So friends, if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. So if you like my videos, then please like this video, share with your friends, and so friends, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching. Thank you once again. I will see you in the next video.